Hello and welcome to my shed. My name's Ben and I've decided to start a YouTube channel. I've been thinking about starting a channel for quite a while, and I thought in this current climate with everybody cooped up indoors, including myself, or cooped up at home let's say, I thought what better time than now to start a channel. I thought people might find a few things that I get up to down here interesting, as I do with many other people's YouTube channels. The subscriptions I've got are mainly to people messing around in their sheds, making things, breaking things, and generally having a good time. So yeah, here we go. Right, well this is my shed. I'll give you a quick whiz round so you can see where I come to play and see what's down here. So so there's my little workbench, and I've got a little tool tray underneath there where I keep sockets and stuff like that. It's a bit of a work in progress at the moment. Welder and compressor under the bench there, just a MIG welder, vise, bit of tool storage up there, tool wall on the side there, bench grinder. It doesn't look like it at the moment, but the MDF sort of what looks like a bench there is actually a trolley on retractable wheels, which has got a small router table embedded in it, but that doesn't very often get used. Drill press on the end there, battery charging facility, that kind of thing. A bit more storage on the shelf above, if you can see that. Some limb bins there for nuts and bolt storage. Bit of metal drawers. Rack in there for all sorts of fluids and lubricants and other tools, hardware, that kind of thing. Other general purpose storage. Some bigger power tools over there, miter saw, chop saw and table saw, because I do a fair bit of woodwork. Bit of material storage up there, metal, things like that. Believe it or not, this was actually somebody's bedroom before I owned it. As you can see a little bit of evidence of by the pink plasterboard there just behind that racking. I think it was a girl's bedroom, but yeah, it didn't look like this, put it that way. I did actually put a toilet in the corner there. That's what that white sort of cubicle is there. So I don't even have to go back up the house for a break. But yeah, the other modification I made to the shed was adding these two double doors at the back there, which open out onto a concrete hard standing area. A bit more storage there. As you can see, space is at a premium. It looks like a bomb's gone off in here, but honestly, everything does have its place, and I know where most of it is. Right, the wind's died down a bit now, so I'm going to open these doors and show you outside and show you the rest of the place. Alright, we go for a little look outside. You can see the concrete area. I had that put down a couple of years ago, and that's absolutely transformed the place. That's why I put double doors in, so I can, you know, roll vehicles in and out, and well, anything on wheels basically. But yeah, you can see a few of the projects sitting around. Well, I thought I'd share with you a bit of the view I have when working down in the shed. And so if we swivel around this way, you can have a little look at our little corner of Monmouthshire, which on a nice sunny day like this, you'd easily be forgiven for forgetting that there was a global pandemic on. Barely another soul around. Hear the odd car go past, the odd pheasant walk through the garden, or a cat, but other than that, very little human activity, and that's on a normal day, not just because we're all in isolation, but yeah, so that's part of why I really enjoy being down here, and part of what I wanted to share with you guys.